Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking this video. You can click on the subscribe button if you're yet to do that so you get subscribed to my channel and you don't miss any of my videos. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make the popular TikTok drink, which is Dalgona Coffee. So this is practically whipped coffee that is topped on any milk of your choice, and it's actually served chilled, so you have to actually use ice cubes in this drink. So let's start with a list of ingredients.